Hello guys, this is Christian Morado.
And I'm Vince Ong.
So we are real estate agents here from Mega World Corporation, and this is our first time ever to tour you to our fully interior one-bedroom unit here in Park Makinlo West.
So ang style nito guys is a hotel unit inspired. So para tayo na sa hotel, and thank you, shout out to Sir Lou and Miss Yoli for allowing us to shoot on your video.
So I'm so excited, hindi natin to papatagalin. And yeah, let's go.
Let's go. So welcome guys, ito yung main door natin for the one bedroom. So size reference is 48.5 square meter one bedroom. So baka ang nakikita nyo lang is just the 35 square meter kay Park McKinley West, but we actually have different multiple layouts. Meron tayong 35, 38, 44.5, 48.5, and a 70.5 square meter. But currently, andito tayo sa 48.5 square meter unit. So ngayon, samahan nyo kami ni Christian to check out the unit. So upon entering, same pa rin, typical Megaworld deliverables, naka-digital lock set na tayo. So this is from Philips, and you can access this via fingerprint, PIN, keycard, or a mechanical key. And what the client did para maibang yung look and mas light yung ambience natin, ginawa niyang white yung finish dito. Sa part naman na to guys, we have the video intercom which connects you to the lobby if you have guests or visitors, and if may mga parcels kayo. Kita nyo sila, but they cannot see you. And this is our main breaker. So, ang style lang natin dito para mas homey, naglagay si interior designer ng dark wood. So, client requested na basta hotel finish yung layout. And sa part na to guys, ito yung favorite part ko. So, if hindi nyo mahulaan, this is actually the toilet and bath. So, para siyang 2-in-1 vanity, and at the same time, meron kang full-length mirror. So, maganda dito, bago ka umalis, you can check yourself na if okay ka na before going out. So, sakto lang din siya. And paglabas mo ng CR, ganun din. So, check natin tong toilet and bath. Dito guys, more or less, nag-add-ons lang tayo. So, sa part na to, this is where the washer and dryer is located. So, what the client did is pina-enclose nila. Tapos, to maximize the space, naglagay na rin tayo ng mirror panels. Para at least meron ding salamin on the toilet and bath na full length. So, same pa rin tong water closet natin and bidet. Tapos, ito guys, nakaka-amaze lang. Para at least meron tayong additional na pwede paglagyan ng storage kasi may cabinet tayo dyan. Tapos, ito, this is mirror also na merong cabinet. So, maganda dyan, we have lots of storage. Yun yung mga pinadagdag ni clients dito sa condo. Kasi that's one thing that you need to do. Alam natin that condo have limited space, so we need more storage. Sa baba, meron din tayong additional storage. So, lalagyan na ng mga panlinis ng CR. And eto, they added full glass enclosure. Megaworld delivers partial glass for Park McKinley West, but for this one, yan. As is pa rin yung rain shower natin, yung soap dispenser natin as is din. Then nag-add lang si client dito ng pandagdag lang para lang mas ma-utilize palalo. And ito naman guys yung foyer natin. So dito sa part na to, as you can see, para siyang art gallery kasi meron tayong painting. So this is one of the attraction, and meron tayong mga pin lights. So maganda sa condo, maliwalas. So, nagdagdag ng pin lights yung interior designer for this one para ma-highlight din tong space na to, which is, this is actually your console area. You can put your keys dito, lalagay mo siya. Meron tayong artificial plant or tree or bonsai para at least mas madali siyang i-maintain because our client is actually based from abroad. So, hindi na nila kailangan isipin kung masisira ba or mamamatay yung halaman. So, kahit hindi ka green thumb, mabubuhay siya kasi wala siyang buhay. And dito sa part na to, you can still put a frame. Wala pang picture, but eventually, for sure, malalagyan din nila clients to. So, etong part na to, this is the shoe closet. And yung baba, kung saan yung shoes namin, that can be your extension also for the lalagyan ng mga shoes. And highlight lang guys, meron tayong console dito. Not console, but socket for easy charging, and may mga LED lights tayo para magkaroon ng accent yung area na to. Yan. And across ng foyer natin guys, another attraction that took my attention is this frame. So malaki siya, and I think it perfectly fits here. And mas naging luxury yung or luxurious feels yung unit natin. So, if familiar kayo with quiet luxury, parang ganun yung vibes ng unit na ito. And this is actually my favorite part. Nasa kitchen area tayo where it is actually supposed to be enclosed but they decided na buksan. So maganda dito, if you have guests, visitors, while you're preparing the dish, makakausap pa rin natin sila and makikita rin natin sila. So sa part na to, dito nilagay yung fridge, andito naman yung internet cables natin. So para lang in line with all of the cabinets, pinalitan nila with dark wood. And they added built-in microwave oven. Cooktop range hood, it's the same deliverables kung paano ni Megwell deliver. It's from Ariston, which is a European brand. Yan. Tapos, naglagay din sila ng accent dito, which is the mirror. Para again, mas mapalaki yung unit. Yan. Kaya favorite ko tong layout na rin to, na 48.5 square meter, is because of the countertop. So, yung countertop natin dito, guys, pa-L siya. Marami kayong malalagay. Kaya nyo pa maglagay ng coffee machine dito, and so on. Yeah. Tapos yung sink and faucet natin from Frankie, parehas lang din siya. Megawell deliverables, including this granite countertop. Yan. Yung cabinets natin, still soft closed, pinalitan lang ng laminate, white, para again, mas elegant yung feels ng unit natin. And this is the common space, the dining area. Meron ng kasamang isang inverter split type aircon. So, it's from Daikin, Japanese brand. Dito naman sa space na to, it's actually very big and sakto lang yung mga furnitures na nilagay. That can fit 4-seater na hindi siksikan. So, we also have artificial plant over here. Then, naglagay si interior designer ng, I think this is around 65-inch na TV. Tapos, mirror panels again para mas lumawak yung space natin since we're in a condo. One of the inspiration also ng unit na to is actually modern Parisian theme. That's why, if nakikita niyo art na to, very unique yung shape niya. And at the same time, it added parang twist sa unit. Kasi alam natin yung condo may feel boxy. But this one, naglagay siya ng curved space para mas maging smooth yung feels ng unit.
Ayan guys, finally, dito tayo sa ating living area, which is one of my favorite part here in the unit. Pagpasok nyo pa lang dito sa area, kita nyo na yung space of the living area. Ayan. So, mapapasin nyo dito, ang ginawa ng designer, naglagay siya ng sofa bed. So, on this side, ito yung magiging extra storage natin of the unit. For example, you have extra na mga gamit. Ayan. Perfect siya para ilagay yan dito. Na nag-maximize din ng space or hindi siya magiging mukhang kalat. So, on this side naman, meron tayo ditong ito na mismong sofa bed na naka-foldable siya, syempre. And kaya na itong accommodate up to 2 packs. Ayan. So, for example, meron kayong guest or merong guest yung client natin, this will be the perfect spot for the guest. Kasi parang kasya na, pag sa seaters, kasya to up to 5. Ayan. So, mapapansin dito, meron din tayong maliit mini table here, circular table. Isa pa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito, syempre, yung color palette natin. Kung paano ginamit ng designer yung mga colors natin like white, black, yung mga neutral colors natin. Even, meron pa tayong touch of gold na nabibigay ng luxury vibe sa unit. Ayan. And here, mapapansin nyo dito, since mataas yung ceiling ng condos natin in Megaworld, ayan, meron tayo ditong chandelier. So, maganda yung pattern niya. We have many patterns here, circular, and even yung nabibigay niya na light rays from the chandelier. Yan. Ang ganda rin yun, no? Kasi nagkasya yung malaking chandelier dito sa unit natin. Ayan. So, isa pa sa mga agaw pansin dito para tayo may nakikita ang art gallery sa mismong living area ni client. So, naglagay siya dito ng painting. So, napapansin nyo maraming painting sa loob ng unit. So, isa pinakamaganda dito yung nasa living. It gives a curvy and texture, even the color, pasok din sa theme ng mismong unit. We also have like mga mirrors here na nagdadagdag din ng designs and patterns. Perfect talaga siya sa ginawang combination ng designer. Even the clock, napaka-minimalist naman ng clock natin and unique. Grabe. Ayan. Hindi ako familiar sa ganyang klase ng clock. So, before we are going to the main bedroom, papakita ko muna sa inyo na pag turnover dito ng unit, meron tayong wall partition. Pero ang ginawa ni client, ginawa niya tong glass partition. So, ang purpose nito, just in case gusto nyong magkaroon ng natural light na nanggagaling sa labas, you can just open this one. Ayan. Para pasok yung natural light since andun yung ating windows and balcony. At hindi lang yan, for example, gusto naman ni client magkaroon ng kahit konting dim of light lang. Pwede niyang i-open tong sheer. Ayan. But later, ipapakita ko sa inyo what will be, what it will look like pag naka-fully black talaga siya. So, pasok tayo sa mismong bedroom. Ayan. Finally, this is the bedroom. So, another room, another feels na naman. So, actually, ang maganda dito, nagkasya yung king size bed. So, this is an actual king size bed. Imagine you'll be having a 48 square meter condo but nagkasya dito yung king size bed niya. Ayan. So, napakalaki ng space. Nakapaglagay pa siya ng mga mini cabinets here. Ayan. May mga konti pa tayong decoration sa magkabilang dulo. Ayan. Tapos, additional paintings din also. And pattern. So, because of this kind of theme, kailangan talaga napakaraming pattern to maintain the theme. Even the color combination niya. Meron tayong dumagdag na kulay dito. Meron tayong mga iba't ibang klaseng shade ng gray. Napasok talaga sa design. So, actually, this is one of my client's favorite spot. Ayan. Ito yung parang magiging mini office niya. Since may time na busy si client, ito yung perfect spot para makapag-lock in siya to focus if marami siyang gagawin for works. Ayan. So, dito naman, nagdagdag siya ng additional design. Para siyang design at the same time cabinet na rin kasi naglagay siya ng mga gamit dito, paintings, baka sooner, kagaya na nasabi kanina ni Sir Vince, may lalagay din siya dito ng mga pictures. Ayan. Tapos, syempre, meron tayong cabinets here. Ayan. Pag turn over sa inyo ng unit neto, wala talaga siyang mirror pero ginawa dito sa designer, nilagyan niya lang ng mirror para dagdag space ng vibe din. Mas nalaki din yung vibe ng mismong unit. Ayan. So, meron din tayo ditong split type aircon aside from the aircon natin sa living area. Meron din tayo dito sa may bedroom. So, actually, isa yun sa mga standard na kasama na once mabili nyo itong unit. Ang maganda pa dito, mataas yung ceiling natin, kaya medyo nag-drop ceiling si client para magkaroon ng konting accent sa light. Pero you can still see, mataas pa rin talaga yung ceiling natin. Ayan. So, last, syempre, but not the least, we have our outdoor area. Finally, the view. Ayan. Actually, yung view natin dito sa unit of our client is facing Lawton Avenue. This is the road going to Naiya International Airport. And kung mapapansin nyo dito, papuntang left side is, syempre, Venice Grand Canal mo, which is McKinley Hill. On the right side is going to Manila Polo Club and Forbes Park. Then, ito na rin yung way papuntang BGC High Street. Actually, nasa around 3 to 5 minutes lang. Nasa BGC High Street ka na. So by the way, I almost forgot, ito naman yung magiging itsura ng unit. Pag sinara nyo siya, actually for the whole privacy of the bedroom. Ayan. So sasara nyo lang itong partition glass natin and then the curtain. And that's it. Sana nagustuhan itong beautiful condo tour natin. And if nagustuhan nyo itong unit, by the way, I'm Christian Don Morado.
And I'm Vince Ong, and again, we're from MegaWorld. If you're interested to get one of our properties similar to this one, we still have limited units available. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more contents like this.
So ayun, I'm excited to show with you. Marami pa tayong vlogs na paparating.
Okay?
See you.
See you. Bye-bye.